Did you know that you can make money online with trading without any trading experience, just using trading automation? And did you know that you don't need your own money to trade, just use prop firms, get funded, and trade with their money? It's very easy these days, and especially with our strategy, we have an ATR Breakout Strategy created with our AI tool, a very profitable strategy which you can automate. Just paste the Pine script in the editor of TradingView. You can use a free account from TradingView. Just paste the Pine script in there, and then you are able also to automate this script, so you don't have to lift a finger to make profits. Okay, I'm going to show you in a short video how it works. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen here. Here you see our strategy in TradingView. So TradingView, you can just create a free account, and then what you can do is once you purchase our Pine script strategy, then go to a clean chart. So you have to create a clean chart. Go to Pine Editor in here, and then you are able to copy and paste the script we provide you in here, and then just save it, add to the chart, and then when you add it to the chart, then you see this here. You see the candles, you see a red line, a green line, that's the strategy, and you see also the executions plotted on the chart. So here you see a long close position order, you see it here also, and these are the trades which are executed on autopilot. And these alerts, you are able to send them to a platform I'm going to show in a while, to TradersPost, to automate it to your broker. Okay, so when you see here, we have also a strategy tester in here, so we can backtest the strategy. So for example, when we go back to 90 days, so that's with different market conditions, it's very stable. You see, with 4.k profit, very good numbers in here. Profitable trades 67%. We have not so many trades, but that's good because we want to prevent fake outs. And we're using one micro contract. We're trading futures, and we're trading micro gold futures in here. So once you implemented the script, and I want to recommend to trade micro gold futures, then go to the wheel here, and then you're able to select here your settings. So you change the settings depending on your strategy and on the market conditions. So if you want to have more trades than 37 in 3 months, then just change these parameters, and then you see it changing here, and that's it. You're also able to scale this strategy. So if you have 4k in 3 months profit, and you think, all right, so I have a big, for example, 100k, I have a 100k prop firm account, just increase your contracts in here, and then boom, you see, then you have 12k profit. Very low drawdown. The profit rate is still 67%, so it's very easy to scale up with this strategy. Okay, we have a few examples of the settings in here. Also, once you purchase, you will forward it to the script, and there we have also some screenshots of our settings, so you can also copy and paste them. But yeah, I will recommend to set your own settings. It's very easy. Once you change the settings in here, you see the numbers changing here too. Okay, so that's how it works. So you have the Pine script, everything is in place. You have your own strategy in here. It's your strategy. You don't have to update anything. It's working already. When you want to automate it, just create an alert in here. You see we have several alerts in here already created. The only thing you have to do is set up an alert. For example, this one is for NQ1. So now let's do an example for micro gold futures. This one, for example. Here are the settings. It's also explained in a short tutorial in our community. So once you purchase, you are able to join the community to go to tutorials, how to set it up, create your alerts. Then you need a webhook, and for webhooks you have to go to a third-party platform because you want to automate it. I'm going to show you in a while. Let's close this one. Let's open this one in here. Okay, so go to TradersPost. TradersPost is an additional platform you need. It's only $50 a month. So once you purchase the script, it's your script, so you don't have any monthly cost, just only for the automation, $50 a month. You're able to create an automation, also create the webhook, use it for TradingView, and then you are good to go. Okay, so the alerts of TradingView will send to TradersPost, and then this one will be hooked up to your Let's go here to TradersPost. Maybe I already have one in here. Let's see if I have that. Let's log in. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Then here you have your accounts. So these are the paper accounts of TradersPost. So the first 2 weeks you can have a trial, for example, for your bot to see if it's profitable, and maybe you need adjust some settings, but without any risk, you can use a paper account of TradersPost to test it. And then once you are ready, go to Trade-of-8. Trade-of-8 is the broker, and there you are able to import the broker in here and connect it to your bot, okay? And for funding, just use, for example, Apex Trader funding. Go down, go to Trade-of-8 plan. So there's already Trade-of-8 license in here. Also explained in our tutorial, in our community. And then you're able to buy several sizes. So I want to recommend start with a 25K account or 50K account. We have a coupon code of 50% discount. First, start with a trial, with a challenge. So with a monthly fee, if you use our coupon code 50% of only $80 a month. And then once you reach your profit goal, then your account will be set for real money. You're able to trade with their money, so with real money, and get payouts. The bot is trading for you, don't worry. It trades 24/7 for you. And once you reach the profit goal, it will be set to a real account, okay? If you have losses, your max losses, there's a threshold of $1,500 in your trial. Once you reach that, you don't have to pay that. There will be a reset, a one-time fee of $50, and your account will be resetted, and you can start the trial again. If you are funded and you reach also the trailing threshold, don't worry, you don't have to pay that back. Then you have to go through the challenge again and get funded again. But you don't need your own money. You don't have a lot of risk, and the bot is doing the work. So if you have a good risk management in Trade-of-8, then you are always profitable with our bot, but we teach you also in our community, okay? So actually that's it. Let's go back to TradingView. So these are the alerts set up. Let's go to the camera, close this one, open this one. So if you want to have your own trading bot, this is the time to step in. For a one-time cost of $147, you can import our source code. You are the owner of the source code. It's your strategy in TradingView. You only have to automate it and connect it to your broker using PropFirm. You are using the PropFirm capital, and then you're good to go. So actually within 1 hour, you are up and running with your bot, trading with a fully automated system, make money online, and you don't have to lift a finger. Just go to work, close your laptop. You don't have to have your laptop open. Close everything, and it's running for you day and night, okay? So hit the button, buy now, and see you inside.